Let me bring in the guests. Manish Bharia, representing the BJP, Dr. Karuna Sagar of the Congress Party, Pooja Patrick of the JDU, Kanchana Yadav of the RJD. Manish Bharia, issues of the people of Bihar is lost in this rhetoric.
Good evening to you and my good evening to co-panelists and all the viewers. I think the Prime Minister is raising, as well as our Home Minister and Nitish ji. So what we understand is that जो ऐसा हिंदी में बोलते हैं कि प्रत्यक्ष को प्रमाण नहीं. So the whole of the state and the country has to see what kind of development, and people are aware of it. And I think in every Jan Sabha, the Prime Minister, the Home Minister, as well as the Chief Minister, they have been telling a lot what they have done, and they have also given a roadmap for the further progress of Bihar. I would like to just remind through you, the viewers, that this year in 25-26, the GDSP growth rate of Bihar is 22 to 26%, as per NK Singh's article, just recent article that has come. That's the kind of development we are talking. So therefore, the agenda has always been on the growth and development. It is the opposition which keeps targeting Prime Minister. Somebody says that he is dancing, somebody someday will say yoga. Then what do you expect? Right? He would get a reply. And that is why I say that Tappu ke shaadi mein,
So then you are saying
that is how it is happening. What is he doing here in Bihar?
NDA is essentially responding to what Mahagathbandhan's charge is. Dr. Karuna Sagar, it's about the language which is being used in this election, similar to multiple elections that we have covered, and there is low with every passing election. So certainly when it is about the political class, they're not failing to surprise us.
Thank you, Maria. Good evening to you, to your viewers and my fellow panelists. Bihar has endured 20 years of Nitish Kumar's failed promises and 11 years of Modi's trouble engine government, both draining the state's potential and betraying its people. Maria, you come from Bihar. Have you ever heard a Prime Minister coming and talking about Vinash, talking about Katta, talking about Kanpatti? For the uninitiated, let me translate. Kanpatti means temple and Katta means local-made firearms, country-made firearms. So that kind of, that is basically mocking. And Yogi Adityanath has gone a step forward and talking about monkeys. And Appu, Gappu, Shappu, I do not know what the hell he is talking about. But that is mocking these 14 crore Biharis. The Biharis take the election very seriously, take the whole process seriously, take the debate seriously, and somebody bringing down this debate to this level. And the Prime Minister has this habit. First, he talks
Pooja
this kind
Patrick,
of a gutter language.
The language in this election only seems to be hitting new lows, and it appears that nobody is, and all political parties have decided that they will not mind their language. That if it is about Katta, then they'll have to take it further up, and then there'll be another counter which will be equally rhetorical and equally sharp.
Maria,
and humiliating at the same time.
In the history of this country, we have never seen a Prime Minister using such language about opposition.
Okay, that's a question to Pooja Patrick, please.
Sonia
that's
Gandhi,
a question to Pooja Patrick. Please,
okay, Maria,
let me go to the two women as well, sir.
Maria, see,
yes.
whatever PM Modi has said from the campaign stage is the language what the Mahagathbandhan understands, I would say. Mahagathbandhan is the one who brought all the concept of this, the words that were used by the Prime Minister, Katta, Kanpatti and all. These are the things which was brought by the Mahagathbandhan. Mahagathbandhan has always been an industry of loot, industry of kidnapping, industry of ransom, industry of rape. And Tejasvi Yadav, when he said, when their manifesto was taken out, he said, just give me 20 months of time and you will see that the industries are established in Bihar. So these are the industries which the Mahagathbandhan is talking about. The industry of loot, ransom, kidnapping, rape, caste genocide, now and the Charvaha Vidyalayas they talk about. So this is the industry. So our Prime Minister our Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, our Home Minister Amit Shah
Pooja,
tells the reality.
Pooja, my point is, you have been in power for 20 years. What are the industries that you have established? You know, the government of the day has to give its report card because you have been in power for 20 years. It's opposition's job to make promises. Whether they'll deliver will only be post-election. So we'll be asking questions to Tejasvi Yadav on what he has done or whether he has delivered or not post-elections. If he once wins power, for you, for 20 years, what have you done?
Maria, it is a known fact that when Bihar was partitioned, and Jharkhand came, many of the factories and many of the industries went into Jharkhand. But there are many factories still, Maria, that are there. For example, the Varun Beverages factory is there at Barauni. The Parle-G factory at Hajipur is there. Then the Shri Cement factory is there. The solar power plant, which has been now come, that is also giving employment to the people of Bihar here. So we are on the path of making
How
Bihar
many new
an
employments have you generated?
industrious state.
Okay. So you have, for 20 years, you have
Mariaji.
generated limited options
And
for
we have-
Biharis. You
Mariaji, can
are
I
asking
add?
for another
Can I
5.
add?
Kanchana.
Can I add, Mariaji?
One moment. No, one moment. Let's let Kanchana come in. Let Kanchana come
But
in.
you
now.
have given a
She is
verdict
of the
without
RJD.
listening
Kanchana,
to...
the fear of Jungle Raj. She has made a point. I have not given any verdict. You have to be patient, Mr. Manish. Kanchana, the fear of Jungle Raj is something that you hear on the ground. Unfortunately, Bihar today is caught in the memories. They are talking about what Nitish has done and what used to happen during alleged Jungle Raj days of Lalu Yadav.
मारिया जी, मैं भी बिहार में हूँ, लाइक यू आर इन द बिहार, और ग्राउंड पे ऐसा कुछ जंगल राज जैसा चल नहीं रहा है. एंड अपोजिशन क्या समझता है दैट लैंग्वेज प्राइम मिनिस्टर विल बी यूजिंग? नो, प्राइम मिनिस्टर के पास बोलने के लिए कुछ है ही नहीं. दैट्स हिज लेवल, द बेस्ट लेवल ही कैन डिलीवर इन बिहार. कट्टा एंड कनपट्टी, आपने कभी सुना है कि कोई भी प्राइम मिनिस्टर पहले कट्टा एंड कनपट्टी बोल रहा हो, कोई प्राइम मिनिस्टर पहले मुजरा बोल रहा हो? तो बिहार को हम लोग उसी लैंग्वेज में डिलीवर कर रहे हैं जिस लैंग्वेज में बिहार के लोग सब बसते हैं. लेकिन मोदी जी बिहार का अपमान कर रहे हैं. उनको लगता है कि ये अस्तर है बिहार का, जो मोदी जी का खुद अस्तर है. कट्टा एंड कनपट्टी करके वो शायद मुख्यमंत्री जब थे गुजरात के, वहां से आए होंगे, वो दंगा करा के आए होंगे, हजारों की जान लेकर आए होंगे. एंड यही उनको समझ में आ रहा है कि यहाँ पर आकर कट्टा एंड कनपट्टी बोलो और जंगल राज बोलो. ग्राउंड पे कुछ भी,
Manish,
कुछ भी जंगल राज जैसा नहीं
Okay,
है.
let Manish respond. Manish.
मारिया जी, जिसकी
Okay,
पार्टी
let's
के
have Manish and
समर्थक,
Kanchana on the screen
Just-
now. Yes.
जिसके पार्टी के समर्थक ने 20 साल 15 साल तक कनपट्टी पर कट्टा लगा लगा के लोगों का अपहरण किया, लोगों को मर्डर किया, उसके बारे में क्या कह सकते हैं? और जिसके पार्टी के समर्थक आज भी कई तरह के गीत जो है आप बिहार में देख सकते हैं, पार्टी समर्थक कर रहे हैं कि कट्टा लेके घूमेंगे हम जब पावर में आएंगे. तो ये क्या है? तो आप पहले तो अपने अंदर झांकिए ना कि आपके पार्टी के समर्थक और आपके समर्थक कौन लोग हैं और किस तरह की भाषा का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं. उसके बाद तो आप किसी के पास आइए. किसी से छुपा हुआ है कि आप अपहरण का इंडस्ट्री आपके समय में था कि नहीं? किसी से छुपा हुआ है कि मुख्यमंत्री के आवास में अपहरण की गाड़ी जो है,
लेकिन आपने तो बदल दिया ना.
अपहरण की गाड़ी वहां थी. तो आप क्या बात
मनीष,
करेंगे?
आप
इस तरह की
लोगों ने
बातें
तो
आप
बदल
कर नहीं
दिया ना.
सकते हैं.
You
हम लोगों
guys,
ने बदल
you have
दिया.
promised.
लेकिन हम लोग
You
we
have
do not
promised-
want that government out here, and
Yes.
our duty for
so
people
what-
to remind them that look, this is what their चाल चरित्र और चेहरा. और प्रधानमंत्री तो सही कर रहे हैं, बिहारियों को बचा रहे हैं उनसे. कट्टा वाले लोग हैं तो
Okay.
कट्टा वाले लोग
कंचना.
सुनने में बुराई क्यों लगती है?
कंचना?
ऑडियो इशू, बट हाँ, मारिया जी मेरे पास
Okay,
ऑडियो
कंचना.
इशू हो रहा है अभी.
कंचना.
बट ये बिहार का विकास है. यस, राइट नाउ मैं अभी बाहर से डिबेट में जुड़ रही हूँ. जानते हैं क्यों? बिकॉज लाइट नहीं है यहाँ पर, एंड दैट्स देयर डेवलपमेंट है ना. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डेवलपमेंट, रोड, दे टॉक अबाउट एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, बट लाइट नहीं है. मैं बाहर से डिबेट में जुड़ रही हूँ और ये इनका विकास है. और ये बिहार में आकर किस बात पे बात कर रहे हैं? जॉब पे बात कर रहे हैं क्या? फैक्ट्री अमित शाह जी से पूछा गया था कि आपने फैक्ट्री 20 साल में क्यों नहीं दिया? उन्होंने बोला कि देयर इज नो लैंड अवेलेबल। और ये जमीन, बिहार
गलत
इतना
बोल
बड़ा
रही हैं।
स्टेट है, यहाँ इनको
गलत
जमीन
बोल रही
नहीं
हैं
मिली
वो।
कि यूनिवर्सिटी बना
ऐसा
सके,
कभी
इनको
अमित शाह
जमीन
जी
नहीं
ने नहीं बोला।
मिली कि फैक्ट्री बना सके।
माया
One
जी,
moment,
I need to
Manish.
come in
ये
here.
अपने
Manish,
अपने
wait.
अपने अपने
हाँ, गलत बोल रही
Manish,
हैं
let
वो।
her
ये
finish.
भाषणों के
Let
स्तर
her
को
finish.
इतना बिलो करना चाहते हैं कि जिसके बिलो जाकर अपोजिशन इन पे अटैक भी नहीं कर सके, इतना बिलो ये अपना अटैक करेंगे कि अपोजिशन वहां पर जाकर उतना
चलिए।
बिलो अटैक भी नहीं कर सके। और फिर
Okay.
जितना भी बिलो ये अटैक करेंगे, हमारे मैनिफेस्टो पे
Okay.
रहेगा कि हम क्या करेंगे काम। we don't care about
मारिया
their
जी।
jungle raj or
Okay,
their
so you will be sticking to your
rhetoric about
manifesto.
Katta and Kanpati
Manish,
and all.
Manish, I've been traveling Bihar across the state. What is surprising is, yes, there are roads and highways, but when it is other issues of livelihood, it's not there. When it is
Wait,
about
Maria ji,
bijli,
I just
electricity,
respond
people are
one by
still
one?
struggling. People are still struggling. That is also the fact. So, when will Bihar move beyond Bijli, Sadak, Pani to other issues, to issues of aspirations, to issues which will shape Bihar at par with other developed states of India?
Maria ji, if you look at the GDP growth of Bihar, and you know that the GDP growth of Bihar for last 20 years has been in top 5. Last year was also, it was second. Now, I'm really surprised when you use the tone, बिजली सड़क पे। अरे इन्होंने तो बिजली भी नहीं दी ना, ये कैसे बात कर रही है? 22% बिजली थी जब ये लोग यहाँ पर थे। नाउ नीतीश जी said कि जब हम लोग आएंगे तो 100% के बिना तो हम कैंपेन ही नहीं करेंगे। Last time we achieved that 100%, and then we started campaigning. That is what we are talking about. People are talking about roads, and now let me tell you, you would know that there were
Okay, Dr. Karuna Sagar.
there were no social schemes. Just let me complete 5 seconds. There is the empowerment of people on social front. There is the empowerment of women. Major empowerment of women has happened.
Okay.
Industries.
Dr. Karuna Sagar.
There were no enabling factors
Dr.
for
Karuna Sagar.
industries. How will you bring industries if you don't have electricity and if you don't have law and order? Once these were done, and there are a number of MSMEs,
So you
there were a
are
number
for
of
20
industries out
years
here.
creating that enabling environment, and then you are now seeking that people should trust you for another 5 years because the enabling environment is on the path to
Not
being
only
created.
that,
Dr. Karuna Sagar,
industries is
respond.
growing by
Yeah, can you comment?
13.2% year after year.
Dr. Karuna Sagar,
Maria.
one moment, Manish. Manish,
Yeah.
others will have to come in.
Maria, you asked the right question about the aspiration of the Biharis, whether the Biharis need semiconductors or kattas. That the Prime Minister has to decide. And he decides that Gujaratis get the semiconductor and Biharis get the katta. And that is the thought in terms of the double engine sarkar. Bihar once was famous for sugar, paper, jute, silk, dairies. And Congress government has given Baroni Refinery, Sindri, and Baroni Fertilizer, Baroni Dairy, Railway Wheel, Diesel Locomotive, and Thermal Projects.
No, but what happened
All
after
this was
that?
given by the
After Jagannath
Congress
Mishra.
government in
One moment.
Congress government in Bihar.
What happened after Jagannath Mishra? You're talking about
Everything
Congress.
destroyed.
What about 15 years of
No,
Lalu Yadav?
and-
What
and
happened
let
then?
Let me Maria, the BJP spokesperson is talking about the GSDP. He should also read the Niti Aayog report. And the report says that the Biharis have the lowest per capita income. The Biharis have 68,000, whereas the country has more than 1,98,000 rupees. And Biharis have the lowest per capita investment in the country. The number of Biharis who have to go for job is the highest in the country. And
Thanks to you, Dr. Karuna. For 70 years, 75 years, that is the state you have left Biharis to. How dare you talk about this? You
I am
destroyed
talking
Bihar,
about what
and
you
then
have
you are
done to
talking
Bihar
about all
for
these
past
things.
20 years.
That's
You've been in
what you
power
have
for
done,
20 years
Biharis
and
too.
you want another
Right?
20
We
years.
had to do all the
Prime
groundwork. There were no
the Prime
electricity, no
Minister
roads,
comes
no
to
law and
Bihar
order.
and he
How
says
on earth
that
industries
I
will
am going
come
to
here?
lay the
Dr.
foundation
Karuna,
stone
nothing
for
was there.
development.
That's
So
what
that
I'm
means
so
for
shocked
past
that
20
with
years,
what face
there
you
was
come
no
here and talk
development
all these things.
and the Prime
Right?
Minister
You
is
destroyed
still
Bihar.
planning to lay the
What kind
foundation
of a
stone
local
for
standard you
development.
have to
So
talk about
Prime
Bihar?
Minister
You cannot. You do
does
not have
not
any
think
right
that
to talk about Bihar and
he is the Prime
development.
Okay, let me
Minister
bring
of
You
in
are
the two
Bihar.
women
responsible
He
on
for
is
the
the
show.
Prime
Bihar being
Minister
what
of
Let's
Bihar is
Bihar.
have
right now.
Pooja and Kanchana now. Let's have Pooja and Kanchana now. Pooja, come in.
Yes, Maria, what it is, no, our fellow spokesperson from Congress
Pooja,
was
go
telling
ahead.
that about the our spokesperson from Congress was telling us about the per capita income. So let me bring the statistics here and let me bring the data here. So I would like to tell him that in 2023 the per capita income was 59,000. In 2024 it was 67,000. And at present it is 74,000. So what kind of a data he has in his hands, I don't know, Maria. And if we go, he was telling about the mills that were closed. So my question to him is that what about that 15 years? What about that 15 years of Lalu Yadav's fashion? Sakri's sugar mill in 1993, it was shut. Chanpatiya's sugar mill in 1994, it was shut. Motipur, 1997, it was shut. So what kind of, what statement are you making sitting here and you're wanting to generate a
Since you've
false
asked those
narrative here?
questions, I think it is Kanchana who should respond. Kanchana, those are specific dates on which these factories were shut, and those were the days when Lalu Yadav was the chief minister.
We built many universities and factories under the Lalu Yadav and Rabri Devi's government. Under the Patna State University Act and Bihar State University Act, we built many universities like Bhupen Narayan Mandal universities and Vinoba Bhave universities and many others. कि ये जद्दी वाले ये बता सकते हैं कि इन्होंने कितनी यूनिवर्सिटी बिल्ड की? No, they can't utter a single university's name because इन्होंने एक भी बनाया ही नहीं है ना. Last time in last election, what Prime Minister Modi ji said? He
I
said
need to
the
come in,
person who
Maria
is
ji, I
wearing
need
the
to come
simple
in.
sleepers would be flying in the aeroplane.
No, even I am on the line. I'd
ये
like to come in.
क्या एरोप्लेन में फ्लाई कर रहे हैं? आज ट्रेन की हालत
Maria ji, I
ऐसी
need
है
to
कि
come in.
दिल्ली से पटना आने के लिए लोगों को वॉशरूम में लैटरिन में सोकर आना होता है बिहार के लोगों को, और यहाँ पर आकर मोदी जी कट्टा एंड कनपट्टी की बात करते हैं.
Sir,
मोदी जी
the
दरअसल
tradition on
बता
my
रहे
show
हैं कि
is
that's the
that
level.
the women always get the last word. So Kanchana has spoken. I'll give the last word to Pooja. Go ahead, 30 seconds to you, and then I wrap up this discussion.
If we talk about the steps that our India government has taken regarding the economic development of Bihar, I would like to ask my opposition spokesperson who are sitting here that do you have any data about the startups that are there? Before 2005, there was zero startup in Bihar, and now after 2005 till 2025, there are more than 5,000 startups. So my fellow
Okay.
Kanchana ji is sitting here. So if you have any data, you can reveal the data here on this live debate. And if you please don't talk about the things that have been done, we also have a long and list of data that are there, which was not done. The work
Okay,
that
we have
was not
really
done
come to
in
the end of
15 years.
this discussion. Dr. Karna Sagar, Manish, Pooja and Kanchana, thank you so much for joining us.